Hello, in this video we are going to look at how to extract Civil 3D objects from a externally referenced drawing through Xref copy command. Actually, this is not a command in Civil 3D. It has to be executed through the report manager. So what really happens here is we can extract Civil 3D data from my Xref object Xref drawing into our parent drawing. So this is kind of similar like ncopy command or nested copy command, but this works with Civil 3D objects. But I will demonstrate this with two versions of Civil 3D, 2020 and 2022. So what really happens here is currently in my drawing I have a drawing called drawing 1. So if I type XR on my command line and if we check the Xref manager, you can see I have already attached a drawing called original alignment here. Now I have opened that drawing here. So you can see the same thing is in the original alignment drawing, and this drawing 1 is a blank drawing except this external reference drawing. So if I detach this drawing, you actually unload this drawing, you will see you can see there is nothing inside this drawing. So I will reload it again to see it, and I will zoom somewhere here and I do a refresh or regenerate to get the things beautifully appeared in the drawing. So what I do is I go here, go to toolbox tab, and in my shape import export utilities I go to Xref copy Civil 3D objects. So if you don't have shape import export utilities, you have to download this one. So this is in the desktop application of Autodesk. Here you can see this is the desktop application of Autodesk. Here you have this shape import export utility related to your version. This is 2021. I haven't installed it in 2021, but I have already installed it in 2020 and 2022, where I will demonstrate this session. So I will close this one. Right. So now what I am going to do is I am going to extract the alignment, extract this center line alignment from the Xref. I am going to this parent drawing. So this is Xref. Now I am going to extract this center line into this drawing. So to do that, I press escape and go here, right click, execute, and I select this drawing and select this alignment and press enter. So you will see now this alignment is a part of my parent drawing. So it is coming out of the Xref drawing and it is giving it as an alignment in my drawing. So this happens in Civil 3D 2020 version. So in this method in Civil 3D 2020, you can Xref many things, Xref copy many things like Xref copy many things like corridors, profiles, but actually they are not working properly. If you Xref copy a corridor, it will not carry out all the things related to the corridor. It will not carry out the alignment, surface, those things. It will only carry the corridor only. So it will create a lot of problems. So it is not working actually. So what are the things working in Xref copy? That is a good question. So the things actually work with Civil 3D Xref copy is the alignment and Cogo points, and as well as feature lines. I haven't have a feature line here, but it works with feature lines as well. So if I go here and Xref copy, execute, if I select these two Cogo points, it will do the same. So you can see this is working properly. So now in the Civil 3D 2020 version, you can do Xref copy of alignments and Cogo points, and also you can do feature lines as well. And if you go to Civil 3D 2022 version, this is what happens. So I am in here in 2022 version. So here you have to right click, same thing, execute. Now it will not allow you to select, it will allow you to select the alignment, but if you press enter, it will say Xref copy only works with points and feature lines. So in this 2022 version, it only works with alignment, works with only points and feature lines. So instead of extracting the data from alignments, what you can do is extract data from Cogo points and feature lines in Civil 3D 2022 version. So sometimes I have no idea, maybe in a later update they may have updated to extract the alignments, but I haven't come across that part. So currently what you can extract is extract the point coordinates from Xref drawing, points from Xref drawing, and if you need you can also extract feature lines. So that is a very easy thing. If you have Xref drawing, you need to extract data from like point data or feature line data in 2022 version. On the other hand, if you have 2020 version, you can, in addition to points and feature lines, you can extract alignment data as well into the drawing. So that is about extracting Civil 3D data from Xref into a parent drawing using Xref copy command.